Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I tried Afang soup, Calabar style. You can see how beautiful it's looking. We don't cook bake cake, decorate, do pastries alone. We'll also try out some African dishes you will also love. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Let's start. Here I have my dry fish. I have my meat, that's goat meat with the intestines, pomo. I have fresh pepper. I love it chunked that way. I have my Ixam periwinkle. I have my water leaf. I don't cut pieces so that it would not start drawing. I have my stockfish. This is the real thing, Afang. The chief ingredients of every. I have my nut cube with Maggi. Okay, let's dive into this video. Now you have to steam your meat a bit with your salt, pepper, and Maggi, and your nut cube. Any of them can go in before you start adding other things. When the water is looking as if it's dry enough, you can add extra water. Yes, add in your crayfish and you cover to boil. Add in your dry fish, your stock fish to cook. Now I'm adding the lax Maggi. I've already added a nut cube for the steaming of the meat. Now I'm adding one Maggi. I'll adjust the spices, I'll adjust the pepper, the salt, and everything. Cover to boil again. You can see it's boiling pretty well. And it's time to add our red oil. Add your first red oil and still allow it to boil. Now it's time to add our periwinkle. You stir it together and you also cover to boil. Wow, everything is boiling pretty fine. Okay, we'll add our water leaf right now. Add in your water leaf. You stir and still allow to cook for 5 minutes. Like I said before, you can cut your water leaf pieces. I don't like it pieces because if I do it pieces, it will start drawing. I love seeing my water leaf like this alive if possible. Now add in your second batch of crayfish. Now it's time to add the afang. Add in your afang. You add extra red oil again. I'm an Igbo girl, I'm pitting this red oil till you meet a Calabar woman. They pour red oil as if something has happened. That's why they call it ofem dofem man. Seriously, if you see red oil in soup, you go fear red oil. I'm even pitting the red oil. If you see the way they pack it, you'll be shocked. Our Afang soup is ready. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos. Subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my new videos. If I post any new video, you will get. Also, feel free to check out other videos on my channel. If you love cake, I bake cake, I decorate cake, I do small chops, I do different pastries from A to Z. Feel free to check out our other videos and you will enjoy so many things you love. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share to your friends and family. Progressive Cakes and Nourishment loves you so much. Bye bye.